Today in this video we will learn about how to create custom private name servers in WHM via TrustP Domain Control Panel. For that, log into your TrustP Domain Control Panel and then click on the domain name. Now, in your domain control panel, go to Child Name Servers. Here, just enter your customized private name server along with the IP address given by the hosting provider. Now again go to your domain control panel and then click on Name Servers. Provide your private name servers here. Now go to WHM and then go to Server Configuration and then Basic Web Host Manager Setup. Set your default private name servers here. Now inside WHM go to DNS functions. Now go to edit DNS zone. Now select that domain and create A records. Finally, once you save those A records, your private name servers are set up successfully.